Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wondered the difference between a master's in management and an MBA program, then you are in the right place. These two programs might sound very similar, but actually, let me tell you, they are worlds apart. So let's break it down and help you which one is right for you. So let's start with the curriculum first. The Masters in Management, or also known as MIM, is specifically designed for students who have little to zero amount of experience. It's all about building a strong foundation in management, leadership, and business basics under the areas of marketing, finance, operations, and more. We'll study subjects like organization behavior, marketing strategies, fundamentals of marketing, concepts of finance, but often with a global perspective. MIM programs are also known for their focus on case studies and internships, giving you a taste of real business world while you learn. On the other hand, MBA program is for someone who has several years of work experience. The curriculum of MBA is much more advanced and very strategic. You will dive deeper into leadership development, business analytics, and even entrepreneurship. Most MBA programs also offer electives where you can choose subjects like consulting, fintech, or technology consulting. Now let's talk about careers, what jobs you can look for if you have studied MIM or an MBA program. With MIM degree, you are either entering the workforce for the first time or transitioning into a management role. Common job titles such as business analyst, marketing associate, or project coordinator are some of the jobs that you can apply for. It's a great way to start your career into management. The degree is very popular. MBA graduates, on the other hand, are aiming for senior leadership positions because they have had previous work experience, worked on the entry level and the mid level positions already. You can apply for roles such as management consulting, project manager, IT product manager, operations head, team leader position, or senior executive. So an MBA program gives students the edge to apply for the leadership level positions because they have had several years of work experience, and MIM students don't really get to start with the mid to senior level positions. So let's talk about whether this program is for you or not. If you are a fresh out of college or have less than 2 years of work experience, MIM might be a perfect fit for you. It's shorter in duration, more affordable as well, and gets you into the job market very quickly. But if you have been working for a few years and you have an idea about which direction or which field you want to go into and want to climb the corporate ladder, maybe switch industries or start your own business, an MBA program is a go-to. It's an investment for yourself and your future earning potential. Now you know the key difference between MIM and an MBA program. Let me know which one are you leaning towards. Let me know in the comments below. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights and updates. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams.